Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to Ford Ecosport. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and switching the vehicle to accessory mode. Open the Sync Pairing menu, choose Add a Device, and locate your phone name. Confirm the PIN displayed on both the head unit and phone, then accept pairing on both. Test hands-free calls and media playback to verify the connection works reliably. Repair if problems occur. Begin by turning the ignition to accessory so the sync system powers up, then access the phone or Bluetooth menu. Choose Add a Device and wait for your phone to detect the vehicle name. Tap the vehicle name on your phone and compare the PIN shown on both screens. Accept pairing on both devices and allow contacts and messages if you want hands-free features. Finish by testing a call and audio playback to confirm success. Please subscribe and like if this video is helping you learn car tech and phone connections. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find it a smart read for practical financial thinking. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone, then retry Discovery in the Sync menu. Remove any old Ford Ecosport entries from your phone's Bluetooth list to prevent name conflicts during pairing. If the sync system still behaves oddly, check for available sync updates through Ford and install them to improve compatibility. As a last resort, perform a soft reset of the sync head unit and attempt the pairing process again to resolve stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.